Okay, so we have completed the chapter. Let's solve the exercise. Tick the correct answer. The first calculating device was yes, abacus. Which calculating device was developed by Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz? That is step reckoner. ठीक है. Dash is known as the father of computer. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. The second generation's computer used second generation computer में transistors का use था. The dash generation computer are based on artificial intelligence, तो हम फिफ्थ जनरेशन में रह रहे हैं और फिफ्थ जनरेशन में artificial intelligence का use है. Write T for true and F for false statement. Early man used to count with the help of stone fingers. Yes. ठीक है, this is true. Herman Hollerith invented tabulating machine in 1990. No, this is false. Mark I was the first electromechanical computer. This is true. Okay. The third generation of computers used vacuum tubes. No, this is false. First generation में vacuum tubes थे. Integrated circuit are used in the fourth generation of computer. This is again false. Okay. Next is fill in the blanks. Abacus was invented by the, तो आपको बताना है कि abacus का जो आविष्कार था वो किसके द्वारा किया गया था, तो that was invented by Chinese. Okay. Next is, this is single E, right? Chinese, single E. Next is dash was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642. This was Pascaline. So Pascaline was invented by Pascal. Understand, dash invented difference engine and analytical engine. Charles Babbage है जिन्होंने सबसे पहले, चार्ल्स बैबेज द फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर, तो इन्होंने क्या किया था, सबसे पहले इन्होंने डिफरेंस इंजन का यूज़ किया था, बाद में इन्होंने एनालिटिकल इंजन का किया. द फिफ्थ जनरेशन्स कंप्यूटर आर स्टिल इन रिसर्च. RESEARCH. सो दिस इज़ रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट फेज. DEVELOPMENT, development phase. Now the number work marked on a set of rectangular rods, तो ये है Napier bones. ठीक है. So what is this? This is Napier bones. BONES, bones. Next is vacuum tubes are replaced by transistors. तो transistors ने vacuum tube को क्या किया था, replace कर दिया था. Transistors. ठीक है. डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन द फॉलोइंग. अब इसमें आपको बताना है कि फर्स्ट जनरेशन में और सेकेंड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर में क्या अंतर होता है. सो दिस इज़ द डिफरेंस फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर और सेकेंड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर में. द फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स was started in which year? 1946. Okay. So first generation of computers started in 1946. The makers of these computers used thousands of vacuum tubes which were often used, taking up the space of an entire room. Second generation computer in the late 1950s, the second generation computers were introduced. These computers used transistors in place of vacuum tubes. Now the question is, you have to find out the difference between third generation computer and fourth generation computer. So third generation computer in the mid 1960s, the development of integrated circuit was a major breakthrough, resulting in the introduction of the third generation computers. Fourth generation of computers started in 1971 और इसमें माइक्रोप्रोसेसर का और सिंगल चिप का, which is a single chip, उसमें यूज़ किया जाता था, that does all the processing. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 1 is, name the 5 key features that Charles Babbage used in analytical engine. तो जो 5 की फीचर्स थे वो थे इनपुट डिवाइस, स्टोरेज यूनिट, प्रोसेसर एंड कंट्रोल यूनिट एंड आउटपुट डिवाइस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, what is a microprocessor? Which generation used it? Microprocessor is a single chip that does all the processing. It has thousands of integrated circuits built on it. Fourth generation of computers used microprocessor chip. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ द मेन गोल ऑफ फिफ्थ जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर? द मेन गोल ऑफ फिफ्थ जनरेशन इज टू develop the computers that can respond to natural language and are capable of learning and taking their own decisions. Okay. अब एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन पर आते हैं, जिसमें है, योर फादर वॉन्ट्स टू बाई अ डिवाइस ऑफ योर यंगर ब्रदर टू हेल्प हिम लर्न काउंटिंग, विच कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस वुड यू सजेस्ट? तो अपने भाई के लिए आप क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे? अबैकस. ओके. Complete the following table. So first generation was started from 1946 to 1958. Vacuum tubes were used in the technology. Second generation 1959 to 1964, transistor were used. And the third generation 1965 to 1970, integrated circuit were used. In fourth generation 1971 onwards, microprocessor were used. In fifth generation present, and this is based on artificial intelligence. So thank you so much for watching. Chapter 1 is done.